Now that we have our red, white, and blue Little Debbie's in our 9x13, I'm grabbing 2 cans of strawberry pie filling and we're gonna put that right on top of our delicious Little Debbie's. We're gonna make sure to get out all of our pie filling using our spatula. We wanna make sure that those Little Debbie's are doused in this delicious strawberry goodness. Now you could use a cherry pie filling if that's what you prefer, but the strawberries are gonna go well with everything else that we are putting with this super sweet patriotic dessert. This is for the people that love sweets like me. And we're just spreading that out from edge to edge. Yum. We're gonna move that to the side and bring in a large bowl and a whisk. And we're gonna bring in our instant cheesecake pudding. We'll use this whole box, which is 3.4 ounces. And then next I'm coming in with 2 cups of cold milk. All right, in there with our cheesecake. And we are gonna whisk this until it is well combined. Now you could use a vanilla pudding, a white chocolate pudding, but I think that this cheesecake goes so nicely with those Little Debbie's and that strawberry pie filling. And it's probably my favorite instant pudding that I've ever had. So we're gonna make sure this is nice and whisked together. All right, and once that is nice and well combined, we are gonna bring in our extra creamy Cool Whip and we are gonna fold this in to our pudding. Now you can do a homemade whipped topping. I always say that because that is the truth. I don't need to hear that you don't like Cool Whip in the comments. I already know, and you can just replace this with the whipped topping of your choice. So we're gonna go ahead and fold this in so that it gets well combined with our pudding and stays nice and fluffy. It smells incredible already. All right, now it might be a little loose right now, but it will thicken up as we put it in the fridge. So let's bring back our 9x13 and then let's get this mixture right on top of those strawberries. Oh, look how velvety that looks. Let's make sure to get all of that out using our spatula. Got that all out. Now I'm just kind of smoothing it over those strawberries and those Little Debbie's. Talk about delicious. Make sure that it gets completely covered in that cheesecake Cool Whip mixture. Absolutely incredible, but we're not done yet. We have to make this look beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this horizontal. I have some fresh blueberries. And we are gonna line the corner of our dessert with these yummy blueberries. You can use blackberries if you prefer, but you guys know I love blueberries, so that's why I chose these. So let's quickly get this in place. Now that we have our little corner of blueberries, I'm gonna come in with my sliced strawberries and I'm going to add a row of sliced strawberries right alongside our blueberries, just like so. And we are gonna start to create the American flag on our dessert. How fun is that?
Oh, so fun.
All right, last strawberry right there, and our American flag is beautifully placed on our dessert. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, it's time to dig in to our delicious American dessert. Let's go ahead and cut in between the layers. Oh my goodness. We have the cake, the strawberry pie filling, the cheesecake pudding Cool Whip mixture, and that fresh fruit. I want to make sure to get some of that Little Debbie. Look at that. Enjoy.
Is it good?
This is so good. Wow. And it's honestly not too sweet either. It's the perfect amount of sweetness. You guys gotta try it.